showing me by doing it. This is like the most direct way of experiencing it. So if you've been watching this channel, you know that I always tell you that you use your own body in order how to feel into the other, right? My sensory perception, my feeling, hearing, smelling, tasting, seeing will tell me, and my gut feeling will tell me what is going on. And that's the way how I connect with myself and through myself with, in this case, Roseanne. But this is a skill that you need to practice. This is how your body, you need it to train it to be able to do this very well. So there are also other ways how you can learn from each other what is a nice way of touching. I can obviously ask, for example, Roseanne, how do you want to be touched? And Roseanne can tell me that. So that's one way. Another way is that I could ask Roseanne, hey, Roseanne, can you touch me in the way that you like to be touched? And that is what we're going to show. And remember, often you don't know exactly before you start doing it how you want to be touched. It's also a little bit by doing it, you find out what is nice for you in that moment. If you're very tired, you've had a busy day, the way you want to be touched or the way you want to touch is different than if you slept well and you're full of life, or if you're maybe very angry, right? There's always different ways you feel, also different ways that you want to be touched or want to touch. So let's give it a shot. So yes. Can you touch me in the way you like to be touched?
Yeah, I can do that.
So all I'm doing now is basically registering, feeling how Roseanne is touching me. She doesn't have to tell me, she's just showing me by doing it. This is like the most direct way of experiencing. It's like, okay, I can feel she likes long, tender strokes, not too hard, but firm enough. It's not feather-light. I can feel that she's really present in what she's doing. I'm paying attention where she touches me, how she's using her hands.
You like this?
I like it. Yeah, sure. So this is how you like to be touched?
Yes.
All right. Okay.
At this moment.
At this moment.
At this moment.
All right. Shall I give it a shot?
Yeah.
Yep. All right. Okay. Okay. It's a little bit like what I said. And now, so the danger is that I'm going to exactly copycat what I felt her doing, which is almost impossible because I can feel it in my body. I don't know exactly what she did, right? So I'm just keep the sensation that I feel in my body and sort of try to stick with that. I felt that I was leaning into her, so I'll make her lean into me as well. And yeah, is that okay for your head?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And she was giving me long, tender strokes, not too soft. It was a full hand. Yeah. Also here. And it fits also what she said. She said she was a bit tired. Then it's nice to give these kind of strokes. Yeah, so I'll do this. While doing this, don't ask, you can ask like, is this how you like it? Of course. And we can also just first do it a bit. So she can feel into it. And then ask, hey, how's this? Is it good this way?
Yeah.
You like it a little bit different?
Oh, you can push a little bit more with your hands.
Push more with my hands.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, I hope you can hold your head a little like this, otherwise it's going to
Mm.
be against the microphone. A little bit stronger like this?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
So even stronger.
Mm.
And I can hear how she's breathing deep and slow.
Mm.
She's making some sounds, she's moving. These are all telltale signs that she's liking it.
Mm.
Okay, cool. All right.
Okay.
So let's do it the other way around. Okay?
Sure.
So let's see, how do I like to be touched? This is actually what I feel. I've been making videos, I've had a long day. I like to relax. I want to feel held. So I do that with her. Okay. Did you do that with me?
Yeah.
Could you give that a shot? Okay.
Understanding. I think I'm a little bit shorter than you.
So sometimes you get to these kind of practical differences, then you feel, then you can't see you anymore. Huh? But I can know a little bit like this. Okay. Oh yeah, that's great. Feels very comfortable. So if you're the one receiving the touch, which is me at the moment, it feels like, oh yeah, this feels great. Maybe it can be even a little bit better. Don't be afraid to ask for it. Because the other one is giving you touch, right? It's really, in this case for me, I can fully receive it. And it's nice, but as you can see with my back, I'm not fully comfortable, which is fine, which is fine. But then I can say like, oh, okay, let me switch it a little bit. And let me just, oh, right. Or, yeah, very good. Or can you lie on your back? And I can even just, yeah.
This is better.
Now it's perfect. And also this, guys, this can become very sensual. It can even become very sexual. It can also be very, very relaxing. As always, there's not the kind of goal that I'm having here. I'm really just feeling into the moment. And I showed her what I wanted. And now we actually, with some adaptations, found the exact way of touch that I wanted to receive. It can be that easy. Okay, see you next time.